What's up, guys? Taylor here with Boogey Lights. Today we have a very special video for you. This is a 2011 International Prostar. This is one of our longtime customers. His name is Fat Boy Boogie. That's what he goes by. Finally stopped by Boogey HQ to show us his just simply amazing creation. This thing has well over 100 feet of LEDs on it. I mean, everywhere you look, any of the strip lights you see on this rig are Boogey Lights. And then he's even got our pods, our mini pods, and the different skulls all around. There must be 50 different mini pods and skulls on this rig. As you can see, the actual inside the cockpit, he's got blue LEDs. It's just fantastic. It is such a cool rig. Very glad that he decided to stop by. I mean, everywhere you look, this thing has LEDs. He's got all of the forward-facing ones, he's got the amber, and then all the rear, he's got the red, so that way he's DOT certified. So if you're a trucker and you're looking to do something like that, we have those colors in stock and ready to ship. He's got them inside the wheel wells, inside that front chrome bumper that illuminates the Boogey logo there, and it's inside of his steps here. He's got 2-foot sections of amber. And then on the bottom down here, he's actually got our heavy duty strips, which are perfect for this kind of environment. They'll take the rock impact, they'll take the rain, the snow, the sleet, you name it. And all of these strips that you see here have been on this truck for well over 2 years. I mean, this truck's got over 1 million miles on it, and these lights are still working. It's really incredible. You can see on the outside of his fairing here, he's got these ones, the amber tied into his turn signals. And then on the rear, he's got the red there, and the top ones are also tied into his brake. And then the same thing on the back of the mud flaps here. He's got the red tied into his brake and his turn signals. I mean, it's just so cool. The amount of hours and manpower that he put into this. He said he put well over 3 days of install and did it all himself. His son helped him a little bit, he did say. But he's even got mini pods. He got the strip here, and then he's even got mini pods underneath, inside there. I mean, just everywhere. By far the coolest installation, self-installation that we have seen here at Boogey HQ. I mean, just the amount of wiring that he had to do with this is really spectacular. I mean, you can see the mini pods here. Even the skulls on the back, he's got mini pods in. And these are great because these are in that real hard plastic, completely enclosed. Those are definitely going to last. And even our strips on the edge here, as I said, everything's been on this truck for well over 2 years. You gotta imagine he's been in rain, sleet, snow, hail, heat. It's just a testament to how awesome these lights really are. And then if you look inside the cockpit, he's got that awesome blue LEDs in there to light up with the huge shifter and everything. I mean, this truck is just absolutely one of a kind. So very cool. And we'll end this video with Fat Boy Boogie's sign off, which is whoop whoop, light 'em up. Come see us at Boogey Lights today. Take care, guys. Light 'em up and travel safe.